But have everlasting life, John 3:16. The next guide shared Albert, Hebrew 13:16. I praise you because I am perfectly and wonderfully made.
God said,
God said, I'll be the God of all the families of Israel, and they shall be my people. Jeremiah 3:1.
ano pa? Ana?
Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. 1 Samuel 3 verse 10.
Very good. O, sige. Tarungoy, kusgig tingog. Ang ganina. Forgives. Philippians 4 verse 13. Ang ganina, the Lord Exodo 14. Okay, next. Good, good. Sige, next.
Verse 14. The Lord Jesus Christ of Jesus Christ. Ephesians 4 verse
Uy, Philippians
4 verse
13.
13.
Remember.
After the Sabbath is a sacred holy. Exodus 20 verse 8.
Apa?
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was shifted, and the Word was spread everywhere.
Okay, next Lani. Ang ganina, the Lord shall fight for you. For you. Exodus 14 verse 14. Now next, Yanid, good job. Sunod.
John 3:16. The Lord shall fight for you. Exodus 14 verse 14. The beginning God created the heaven and the earth, and so shall it be. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 14.
Sige, Lani.
In the beginning God created the heavens and earth. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 20 verse 8. Tapos ang tinatawag kapag dito yung ano din. Mateo 26:13. The Lord shall fight for you. Ephesians 14.
Exodus 14.
verse 14.
Napawa na. Okay, ang mag-pray si Yana. Ikaw pray yan.